Way to go on making sales in your show! Now that you've got orders to ship, let's walk through how to unbundle and rebundle orders in Seller Hub. Our smart bundling feature automatically combines your orders into fewer shipments to save money. If you want to unbundle your shipment for any reason, first, select the shipment by clicking the checkbox to the left of the shipment number. Click the Unbundle Shipment button on the right side of the screen. Select the items that you want to remove from the bundled shipment and click the Unbundle Selected Items button on the right. Now, those items should be in a separate shipment from the others. As the seller, you're responsible for the costs associated with splitting an order into multiple shipments. Make sure to watch our shipping video with shipping setup tips and tricks to learn more about this. If you want to rebundle the items, select them and click Bundle Selected Shipments. And there you have it. You now know how to unbundle and rebundle shipments in Seller Hub. For more details on bundling and other shipping-related topics, check out our Seller Summit video. It walks you through all things shipping, and you can find it in our Seller Academy. Thanks for watching, and we're excited to see you soon on Whatnot.